Unchained Revolution. Are chainless string drive bicycles a genius or terrible idea? Introduction. The world of bicycle innovation has witnessed a surge in unconventional designs, with one such concept turning heads: chainless string drive bicycles. Departing from the traditional chain-driven system, these bicycles employ a string drive mechanism to power the wheels. In this article, we delve into the merits and potential pitfalls of this avant-garde approach, exploring whether chainless string drive bicycles are a stroke of genius or a questionable idea. The genius behind chainless string drive. Reduced maintenance. One of the primary advantages is reduced maintenance. Traditional bicycle chains require regular lubrication, adjustment, and replacement, while string drives are known for their low-maintenance nature. Cleaner and quieter. Chainless bicycles eliminate the common issue of grease splatter associated with traditional chains, offering a cleaner and more user-friendly riding experience. Additionally, the absence of a chain contributes to a quieter ride. Aesthetically pleasing. Chainless designs often boast a sleek and modern aesthetic, drawing attention for their clean lines and minimalist appeal. Improved efficiency. Advocates of string drive systems argue that they can result in improved energy transfer efficiency compared to traditional chains. The absence of links may reduce energy loss and enhance overall performance. Potential terrible pitfalls. Limited compatibility. Chainless bicycles may have limited compatibility with existing bike components. Finding replacement parts or making modifications could be challenging. Limited gear options. Traditional chain-driven bicycles offer a wide range of gear options. Chainless designs may have limitations in terms of gear ratios and customization. Durability concerns. The durability of string drive systems in various weather conditions and terrains remains a topic of debate. Harsh conditions, dirt, or debris could potentially affect the longevity of the string drive mechanism. Cost factor. Chainless bicycles often come with a higher initial cost compared to traditional chain-driven counterparts. This cost factor may be a deterrent for budget-conscious consumers. The verdict. The debate over chainless string drive bicycles being a genius or terrible idea ultimately hinges on individual preferences, needs, and priorities. While the reduced maintenance and clean aesthetics appeal to some riders, others may be concerned about the potential limitations, durability issues, and higher costs associated with these innovative designs. As technology continues to advance and engineers refine these systems, chainless bicycles may become a more viable and widely accepted option in the cycling community. For now, the choice between a traditional chain-driven bicycle and a chainless string drive model remains a personal one, with riders weighing the pros and cons based on their unique preferences and riding habits.